Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Fruit Daifuku Mochi. Seasonal fruits are wrapped in sweet bean paste and mochi rice cake. These are the ingredients. Strawberry is the most common fruit for daifuku, but you can also use other seasonal fruits. For sweet bean paste, we are using Shiro An white bean paste today, but you can use azuki red bean paste as well. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Make Shiro An bean paste in advance and chill in the fridge. Please follow the Shiro An recipe video for how to make the bean paste. For daifuku, the texture should be harder, so make sure you adjust the cooking time. Prepare the fruit by washing and drying. Cut into bite-sized pieces for large fruits if needed. Roll the chilled Shiro An into heaping tablespoon-sized balls. Next, flatten the anko bowl. Put one piece of fruit in the middle and wrap so the fruit is covered completely by anko. Repeat for the rest of the fruit and set aside. Now we are making the sweet mochi dough. Mix mochiko and water in a heat-proof bowl and mix well. Add some more water if it's too dry, 1 tablespoon at a time. And steam for 20 minutes. Transfer the steamed mochi from the bowl into a pot. Turn on the heat at medium to medium-low heat. Add 1/3 of the sugar and stir. Be careful not to burn the mochi and sugar. When the sugar is completely dissolved, add another 1/3 of the sugar and mix very well. Add the last part of the sugar and cook some more until the sugar is dissolved, stirring constantly. Take the time to melt the sugar completely. It looks good now. And take the hot mochi out from the pot onto a sheet pan, liberally dusted with katakuriko potato starch. If you don't have katakuriko, you can also use cornstarch. While mochi is still warm, stretch it to at least 9 by 12 inches and cut into 3-inch squares. We assemble right away while the mochi is still warm. Take a piece of anko wrapped fruit, place it on a mochi square, and pinch the end to close around the anko. Like that. And shape into a nice ball with the pinched ends at the bottom. And repeat. Right before serving, you can cut the daifuku in half to show the fruit inside. How pretty is that? You should eat right away after cutting because the moisture from the fruit will make the mochi wet. It is some work to make fruit daifuku, but you will love the result. Sweet and tart, chewy and juicy, it is just delicious. 美味しい。
美味しいね。